Sometimes you just need a quick win UV printing project. I've had some projects that took me 20, 30, 40 minutes to complete a single item. And so that's why today I want to show you a pretty simple high margin item that you can UV print, not 3D print, a simple high profit margin item that you can UV print in just a few minutes. I'm using my xTool O1 Omni Dual UV printer for this. I'm taking this simple money clip and turning it into this beautiful printed masterpiece, really. It's an easy project to do. It takes just a couple minutes. And on the Omni Dual Head, I was only printing for maybe about 3 or so minutes, and the ink cost was less than a penny. So let's dive into xTool Studio, get started on designing this, and show you kind of the process that I went through. Okay, so for this, we're going to be printing on this little guy right here. I'm just going to set it right down on the bed, and I'm just printing on one side of it, just kind of picking a random side to print on. You know, if you were to open this up and like use it for some money, kind of thinking, let's see, let's print it this way. Okay, and now we're going to come over into xTool Studio, hit the plus button, and get started here. We are connected, so we'll hit scan, and go ahead and drag the graphic that we're going to use here. Okay, so I'm going to hit crop because really it doesn't need to be anywhere near this big. So as it is scanning, I am cropping down. And this is more of a rustic graphic, so it will have more of a rustic appearance on the print. I'm going to do this as a flat as well. I don't want to do anything raised on this. So let's just shrink. We're going to angle this by -1. That looks, and we'll shrink it just a little bit. I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm going to angle it by -2. That is too much. -1. So let's see if we put this up. -1.5. No, -1. Not that. -1. Okay. So with a jig, obviously that wouldn't be as big of a deal, but I'm just printing on it here. And you're able to see me do this kind of raw style of running with it. We're going to leave all the rest of our settings the same. Hit process, and this print will take about 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 9 seconds, and use 0.0057 of ink. So just over half a penny of ink. Let's hit print and get started with this. Fantastic. I am really excited with how that came out. And there you have it. This was so easy to print, and it looks great. Now, this specific graphic doesn't have a ton of white on it. It's kind of a more subdued graphic that's on there. You know, it's not going to be ultra bold, but that's just because that's the graphic I chose for this. You could easily pick something that has more white, more color, more whatever, and get a completely different result. I also chose an America graphic here. You could put somebody's name on this. You could put a business's logo. There's endless possibilities for what you can do with these little things. Now, I'll have a link below to JDS Industries, which is where I purchased these from, and they start at about $3 a piece. Now, the more you buy, the cheaper they get. That's how JDS works. And so you do need a resale certificate to purchase from JDS, though. So I do want to make that clear. But at about $3 a piece and half a penny a ink, you could easily sell these for $8 or $10 or even more when you get into the higher personalized space. I was checking Etsy just a moment ago, and it looks like other ones like this that are laser engraved go for about that $8 to $10 mark. On sale, regular price is up to $20, but it seems like everything on Etsy is on sale these days. But if you're adding full color, that's something that no laser can do, especially not with something like this. So you could add an extra couple dollars premium on top of that. But for how cheap these are to print and how many you could fit in a bed, you could easily rock out dozens of these at a time for a local charity, for a local church, for a local business. These could be great little tchotchkes for them to sell. So definitely try these leatherette money clips out. They work great. I've made some of these for friends for them to use as bookmarks. It's just he uses it as a page mark in his binder, and it works great for that. So there's a ton of uses for these too. Again, quick win item. Not everything on your UV printer needs to take 20-30 minutes a piece to do. Sometimes you can just have something that takes about 3 minutes to do. That's going to do it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to say a huge shout out to all of my YouTube members. We have gone from 3 members up to 6 members since the last video I filmed, and I'm just so blessed and honored that you folks would pledge your monthly support to the channel to help the channel grow and help it reach new heights. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that big thumbs up button. If you really enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button. I wait to the end of the videos before I ask you to subscribe because at this point, I want to have proved that I have earned your subscription. I don't just want to beg for it up front. I want you to watch the content, enjoy the content, get something from it, and then if you found it worthy, hit that subscribe button. YouTube tells me about 90% of you watching are not subscribed yet. It's totally free to do that, and it helps this channel go so far and helps us reach new people, and it helps support my family as well. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.